To the meat. Just washed it up. Make sure it don't roll away. Oh, stupid alarm. We're just about getting here in London. We're going to a car meet right now. It's pretty awesome. Oh, there he goes. Look, see, everyone's speeding. That's my boy Dantes right here. Listen to the girls. Hey girls, say hi to the camera. Hey Carla, what's up?
The sun's out.
The sun's out. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, we're just winging it. We don't even know where we're actually going, but we're just gonna get there and we're gonna be right back.
He's overheating.
It's too hot. Hey Falconer, if you watch this, you ain't parking nowhere. See that? Did you see that? We're here across the street. We're like filming these cars pulling in. We're across the street. I'm deaf. Oh! Oh my God! Yo. This is wild right now. This is wild. What is that? Air filter. Numbers. We just ate. It's okay. You get hungry when their food comes out.
I know.
Spit him up. Oh, I've seen this one.
You see that? Did you see that?
Did you see that?